Grab 1 pound of thin strips of beefsteak, seasoned to perfection with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. Heat up a heavy skillet and add a dollop of butter or a drizzle of oil. Now, add the seasoned beef strips into this hot, sizzling pan. Once done, we set the beef aside for a while. Now, in that same skillet with all those delicious beef drippings, we're going to cook our vegetables. Toss in 2 medium onions, 2 bell peppers, and a clove of minced garlic. Sauté until they soften and the onions turn a translucent shade. Next, we're making the gravy. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of flour over these cooked vegetables and stir. This cooks out the raw flour taste and gets us ready for the next phase. Gradually stir in some beef broth and Worcestershire sauce, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. Bring this to a simmer and watch as the sauce thickens beautifully. It's time to return the pound of brown beef strips to this heavenly mix. Reduce the heat to low and let everything simmer together. Give it about 15 to 20 minutes until the beef is tender and the sauce is just the right consistency. Now, for the final touch. Taste and adjust the seasonings if necessary. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.